Like taller than a house, like really big.
He got taller than that big tree.
Taller than a tree?
What
Yeah.
did, Dominic?
That screw.
The screw.
Oh, the screw did?
He used magic and he got
Yeah, taller than a tree.
And he got a lot of batteries. And he's got 6 permanent batteries.
He's
Oh
bigger
my
than a
goodness.
transformer, isn't he? Bigger.
And then that screw is a 6 permanent batteries.
No.
He's got a lot of holes.
A lot of holes?
Yeah, and he filled them up.
Whoa.
This
Oh my
way.
god. Oh my god, not that
And
way,
he
no.
finished
That way, and he got, oh my god, that big.
Yeah, he got
Oh my gosh.
bigger than that tree.
Oh my
that's huge.
goodness.
Oh my god.
And he got way bigger than that, and it got way bigger than the sky.
Well, then he could walk across the lake. Huh? Because he's so big. Yeah? I think you could.
You think I could smash him?
I think you could, because you're so huge.
You're so strong, buddy. Can we see your muscles?
Can we see your muscles?
Show us your muscles, Dominic.
How strong are you?
Buddy.
This is flatted.
How strong are you?
What is this flat?
That's okay. We can pump it
It's
up.
because you're so strong.
But here, show us your muscles, babe.
Dominic, show us how strong are you? Wait, look,
Let's hear it. We got to hear it.
yeah, wait. Wait.
That's right.
Can't be this hard.
I can't. Wait, hold on. Show me one more time. Show me. Bam! Say it. Ready?
I said it already.
One more time. I need one more time. Dominic, I didn't hear it the first time. Ready? One.
He got better than that sky.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready?
And
All right. That is what I'm talking about.
Let's go.
Oh, big sky.
And he almost punched me.
Almost.
No way.
Oh, but
And he shot him.
you're too strong.
You
for him.
shot him?
Yeah, with my bullets in a gun.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
And he got dead.
That's awesome.
Good. That way he couldn't hurt you anymore, huh?
I moved this thing backwards and I shot him.
The trigger. Oh my gosh.
I
Oh
shot
my
his
gosh.
batteries out.
And then he was done.
Yeah, and guess what happened? I pushed that button on him.
You did?
Yeah,
Then what happened?
and he turned on, and I tried to kill him.
Whoa.
I killed him with this gun.
With that gun right there.
Wow.
Yeah, and the bullet go right way down there, and it shot him way up there in the sky. And the bullets can't go that far in that sky.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
It gets little. It gets
Oh.
little when it shot him.
That's awesome.
And it gets really tiny. I put a bullet in here, and I got 2 holes in here.
You sure
And I
do.
shot him with 2 holes, and it gets really dead.
Whoa.
Hmm.
Not just dead, really dead, huh?
And his arms can move and grab his
Mm.
battery.
Hmm.
And not battery, then he gets alive again.
Oh no.
He gets alive. I shot him back one more time, and he shot me back.
Mm.
So who won? Who won the fight?
That big battery did.
The big battery? You didn't win the fight?
No, he just killed me.
No way.
Mm.
Oh, we can't have that.
Mm-mm.
You have to come back to life.
I could. When I get dead, I can move my arm.
Oh, you could. Your arm could still move even though you were dead. Okay.
I'm gonna grab Barry and hit him.
Okay. Awesome.
And poison and cut him up.
Whoa.
Nice.
Boy, you are coming up with some really good disposal methods there, my
And
friend.
That's what happened.
Boom.
And it gets the same gun and it shot me back.
Yes.
What?
That big screw that shot me back.
It did?
But
Yeah,
then-
and I was dead.
Again?
But you came back though, right?
I was still alive.
There you go.
And I grabbed a bullet from here.
Yeah.
And I closed my eyes and I shot him.
And you killed him, right?
Yeah,
With your
and
eyes closed.
When I shot him in my house, I shot him in the screen.
Whoa.
Good.
And
Good.
when the screen is closed, I shot that bullet in the water.
Oh my goodness.
Good job, buddy.
I put water here. I filled it up and shot. And the guy was watering it.
Nice.
So where's the big screw now?
He's dead.
He's dead. Did you kill him?
Is he in the water?
Nowhere.
He's nowhere
Nowhere.
because he's dead.
He's up. He's
Up there?
He's up, yeah, he's up in
Okay.
the sky.
Okay, up in the sky.
Oh.
He's gone. You're okay.
It's okay, baby.
Ding it.
I know.
He's
You.
gone.
What happened today at the zoo? You got a bee sting, huh?
On your hand, right? A bee sting on your hand?
Oh, look at that.
It sting me really bad. And the bee, and where's that thing?
Flies are biting us.
There's flies, baby.
Mhm.
I was trying to kill that thing.
But a fly can't sting you like a bee can, honey.
Mhm.
What bee has on her
Own powers, yeah. Bees have its own powers, yeah.
and what bees have?
A
It's
stinger.
a big stinger. It's like really big.
It puts sting on you.
Mhm.
Yeah. If they want to, they'll sting you. Yeah.
But then what? What happens then, Dominic? Once they sting you? Remember what Mommy told you?
Boo boo.
No. What happens to the bee when they sting somebody?
They die.
Die
Yeah,
alright.
it dies. Yep.
They die, all right.
That one in the zoo just died already.
It did. It's already dead.
Yep.
Mhm.
Camels and got sharp teeth to bite.
Why no? You remember the
do bite,
camels?
Yep. They do bite.
They have big teeth.
And they spit. Camels spit.
They
too.
do.
Camels spit.
We didn't see them do that today, though. We didn't see them spit today.
But they have big teeth. You're right. Yeah.
But we saw little baby pigs, didn't we, that
You
were
saw baby
pregnant?
pigs?
Little, well, potbelly pigs. Little potbelly pigs that were pregnant.
Two deer.
2 deers.
Yep.
And 3 deer.
They were
too.
sisters,
Nice.
weren't they?
And they were little.
They were. They were babies. What else did you see? Do you remember?
Mommy deer.
No. The mommy deer was gone.
What is it?
You saw the boat already?
Not yet. It's being sold.
My
Where
dad
is
is
it?
going to
It's
start
Hatley.
the boat.
Okay. Okay.
Guess what happened? That gun turned into a fire gun.
Fire gun.
Oh my goodness. Are we
Yeah,
talking about the battery
and he
again?
put fire on my back.
The battery did?
Yeah. And I was dead.
Was it the battery or the screw that did it?
Yeah, the big screw.
The big
that did it.
screw.
Yeah, and it
Yes,
made me
it's
dead. That big screw made me dead. It made me dead.
Oh no. Then what happened? Did you come back to life again? Okay.
He's gonna break
I
some
was
hearts.
in heaven, and I was in heaven away up there.
Were you with Jesus? Were you with Lacey too?
Yeah, and I got alive.
And you
Oh,
got
he's gonna break
alive.
hearts.
I
Okay.
jumped way down here.
Oh, you did? Because you couldn't stand to be away from us, huh? Did you want to come back and save us?
From that big battery that's got in the sky.
Big
Yeah.
battery in the sky, yeah.
That big battery is
Big battery in
it's
the
got
sky, yeah.
power to fly away
He
up
does
there.
have a huge power up there.
It can't come down.
Mm-mm.
Is he dead now?
He's when his power gets out of him, he gets dead.
Oh.
Actually.
Gets dead alright. A bee stings him too, and he
A
gets
big bee, though, huh? It would have to be a big one.
and he gets a boo boo and a bee died already.
Oh, my goodness.
A bee died when he got afraid of me.
Yep. The bee was afraid of you, so he stung you, and now he's dead.
And his ears starting to close up.
Mm-hmm.
Guys,
Mm-hmm.
guys blow up zoos. And the animals, and a spider could climb on you.
It could. It could, but hopefully Mommy would see it and I would stop it from climbing on me. Because I don't like it when spiders climb on me.
Spiders are gross.
Yeah, I don't like spiders. Well, not all spiders bite, but I don't like them.
Yeah.
Spiders?
Yeah.
Could bite a little bit.
Some could, yeah.
Some are the same.
Mhm.
They could bite you.
We're going to school tomorrow. Who's your best friend at school?
You're going to Natalie.
Ruben.
Ruben?
Ruben.
Oh my gosh.
Ruben has got cool shirts.
Does
Does he?
he? But you have cool shirts too. Really cool ones.
How old is Ruben?
4.
4.
I'm gonna force like Ruben too.
Yeah, you're
Mhm.
from real soon. Is Ruben like your best friend?
Yeah, Ruben is a little bit taller than me.
A little taller? Are you cooler than Ruben? Yeah.
What is this, Mom? Right here?
Oh, it's just marks from where you were sitting, honey, where you had the gun.
Huh?
Just marks from the gun on your leg. It'll go away.
From this?
Yeah. Okay, Dominic, can you do me a favor? You say, I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
I don't want to.
Can you say I love you, Aunt Mary?
I love you, Dominic.
I love you too, Dominic.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Yeah.